Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rihanna Merchant. Today we are going to learn number 7. With the help of number 7 we do the drawing. See, first you have to write like this 7 number, then extend the number, then like this. It is a cake. Cherry. Then you do the plate. Okay. See, in the middle you draw line. Different. Okay. Now second number 7 will do with the like this. You have to write, join this, and this is the cone ice cream scoop. This cherry little. Okay, now we'll do this star. See how to draw. See, write like this 7. Then join this, extend this, and then you join this. Then you do like this. Okay. Now second one you draw here. It is see your 7 number. Then you join this like this. Okay, now you draw this. See, write 7 number, then do like this and extend this line, then you do plus line and this cross line. Okay, now you do here like this. In Christmas you can see these stars. Okay, see, now I am doing black sketch pen. See, where I write 7 number in the picture, see, I do it with the black sketch pen. Now I will complete with the black sketch pen, then after we'll do coloring. See, I complete with the black sketch pen. Now I am doing coloring. See, I done coloring. This picture done by the 7 number with the help of number 7. Please like, share and subscribe Rihanna Merchant. Thank you very much for watching my video.